The university library hummed with quiet energy. Students huddled over books, their brows furrowed in concentration. Among them sat Emma, her eyes glued to a scientific paper. She tapped her friend Mia on the shoulder, her face alight with excitement. "Mia, you have to see this!" Emma exclaimed, pushing the paper towards her friend. "It's all about how bioinformatics is changing the game in cancer treatment."
Mia, her interest piqued, leaned closer. Emma, a budding bioinformatician, was always brimming with enthusiasm for her field. Bioinformatics, as in analyzing all that gene sequencing data, she asked.
Emma nodded eagerly. Exactly. This paper by Rosati talks about DGE analysis. That's differential gene expression analysis. They're using these amazing tools to sift through mountains of data and pinpoint specific biomarkers for cancer.
Biomarkers? You mean like red flags that tell doctors what kind of cancer someone has? Mia clarified, starting to grasp the significance.
More than that. Emma's eyes sparkled. These biomarkers can predict how aggressive a cancer is, how well it'll respond to treatment, even help develop personalized therapies.
Mia, now fully engrossed, leaned back, considering the implications. So they're basically using big data to outsmart cancer, she mused.
You could say that, Emma chuckled. And it's not just about identifying biomarkers. There's this incredible work being done on cancer phylogenetics.
Philo what? Mia raised an eyebrow, her brow furrowing.
Cancer phylogenetics, Emma repeated patiently. It's like creating a family tree for cancer cells. By tracing their evolution, we can understand how the cancer developed and even predict how it might change in the future.
Wow, Mia breathed, impressed. That's next-level stuff.
It is, Emma agreed. And it's becoming more accessible thanks to researchers like Mohammed El-Kabir. He's developed techniques like FIDOS, which makes single-cell sequencing much more affordable.
So, we're talking about not just understanding cancer better, but actually having the tools to fight it more effectively, Mia summarized, her mind racing with the possibilities. A few days later, Mia and Emma found themselves in a bustling coffee shop, their conversation picking up where they left off. "You know what else blows my mind?" Mia began, stirring her latte thoughtfully. "This whole thing with deep learning and protein structure prediction."
Emma, her eyes widening, leaned forward. "Oh, you mean like Peng's deep contact? It's incredible, right? They're using artificial intelligence to crack the code of protein folding."
"Exactly," Mia exclaimed, her voice laced with excitement. "Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, and their shape determines their function. Being able to predict their structure accurately is a game changer, especially for drug development."
"Imagine," Emma chimed in, her voice filled with awe, "being able to design drugs that perfectly target specific proteins involved in diseases. It could revolutionize the way we treat everything from cancer to Alzheimer's."
"It's like having a master key to unlock the secrets of our cells," Mia added, her imagination running wild with the possibilities.
As they finished their coffee, a comfortable silence settled between them, each lost in thought about the vast potential of bioinformatics. "It's amazing, isn't it?" Emma finally broke the silence, a sense of wonder in her voice. "The more we learn about our genes, the more complex and fascinating they become."
"It's like we're on the verge of a new era in medicine," Mia agreed, her voice filled with hope. "An era where we can understand and treat diseases at their root, rather than just managing their symptoms."
"And it's all thanks to these incredible minds who are pushing the boundaries of science," Emma added, her voice filled with admiration for the researchers and their groundbreaking work.
As they left the coffee shop, stepping out into the bustling city streets, they carried with them a shared sense of excitement for the future. The world of genetics and bioinformatics was brimming with potential, and they couldn't wait to see what breakthroughs lay ahead.